Colminas,
and Martinez.
I am Salinas.
I am Engine Cadet Bajamonde.
Measurement in physics is crucial to quantifying physical quantities such as length, mass, time, temperature, and many others. These measurements provide a standard way to describe physical world and make predictions based on scientific principles. In physics, measurements are typically expressed using unit of measurement, which is defined quantity used the standard reference. One example of measurement is in physics is a measurement of speed. Speed is measurement of how quickly an object moves from one place to another. It is calculated by dividing the distance traveled by the time taken to travel the distance. The standard unit of speed in physics is meter per second. Did you know that the average speed of a world-class sprinter during a 100-meter race is around 10 meters per second? This means that athletes can cover the distance of 100 meters in just 10 seconds, showcase an incredible speed and agility. In comparison of the speed of a runner in our example completing 15 meters in 5 seconds is approximately 3 meters per second. While the speed is impressive, it highlights the exceptional abilities and professional sprinters who can achieve much higher speed over shorter distance.
Kinematics is a branch of mechanics that deals with the description of the motion without considering the force that caused the motion. It focuses on the understanding movements of the object through the concepts such as displacement, velocity, acceleration, and time. Kinematics provides the mathematical frameworks to describe how objects in terms of their position, speed, and trajectories. Kinematics is a fundamental concept with a wide-ranging application across the various fields. It allows to understand and predict the motion of the object, leading to the advancement in technology, safety, health, and entertainment. By mastering the kinematics, one to contribute innovative solution improvement in many areas of everyday life.
In physics, force is an interaction that when an force will change the motion of an object. A force can cause an object with mass to change its velocity. To accelerate, which includes starting or stopping movement or changing direction. Forces can also change the shape or volume of an object. Force in vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. The standard unit of measurement for force is the Newton. This one example of force. Motion is the change in position of an object over time. It is typically described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, and time. This one is example of motion.
Convection. The application of convection in relation to air conditioning involves the transfer of heat through the movement of air. Convection plays a crucial role in both cooling and heat processes of air conditioning system. In convection, warm air rises because it is less dense than cool air, so it is naturally rises in a room. This means that the warmer air tends to accumulate near the ceiling. Cool air sinks. Conversely, cool air is more dense than hot air, and it moves towards the floor or the lower part of the room. This natural movement creates convection currents that helps distribute temperature throughout the room. Did you know that air conditioning system like this should be placed near the ceiling so that the cool air from the AC takes the place of hot air rising up from the bottom. In this way, the entire room gets colder.